And to come media, so I said, the President John Mahama, ne to etchi media, so. Among for we go margin, I come margin editor, and say we say, oh, go PM Nigeria, and honor Anya Koswea Mahama in as a Nigerian chief in Kwara State, Yoruba phone. Omaswea Mahama in Ashe the Chabon at Nigeria. And no, Anna TikTok and say, a henna. O Palapes or Tonga, this time. To be like class. Me want to remove watch the wage, Amame. Ewa comment section. I Penyah Block Media. May as well say, need him. Obe like video na da ma put subscribe button some back like notification icon for latest updates na better the word and mama e will comment section so baso no share for us onya bia hwe you know na Saturday ni Sunday na ye e will Ghana ha no mo na ba ko e da duluma e ana face o ma ne bo ama e na e koso e will kofori but e ni nyina no odu hwe mu a ye hu isesres e will bi ase obekai o ma ne bo ama de ye hu isesres e wa ase sana. You know, that room by the Asunian who has it. Then we say, oh, Henny. And I say, oh, Nigeria. That time is excellency. We're telling a jigakra. Or copy Nigeria. There is a Nigeria Honomono. Anna Enrano. Yes, Sir Mahama in. Yoruba for no more Kwara State no. Yes, Sir Mahama in our Honomo. As, you know, traditional chief. And the title, I the man no. Ari Atayoto Oodia of the source by the Ooni of Ife. But only of Ife has it. And yet, I think it's not a political, you know, a political title, but this is traditional chieftaincy title of the Yoruba people in Kwara State, Nigeria. And that Jumadi with echoes. Emma after say so Mahama in or the same way etuja.
Don't know what is happening in the Sahel. 3 of our members have decided to break away and form the AES. I believe that it shouldn't deter us because God put us in this sub-region together for a purpose. And so I believe that instead of ostracizing them, we must work to continue to build a bridge between ECOWAS and our brothers in the Sahel. Because our destinies are tied together. In Ghana, they say if there's fire burning in your neighbor's house, take water and go and help him to quench the fire. Because when he finishes burning his house, it will spread into your house. And so we must continue to build bridges with our brothers in the AES countries and continue to encourage them to come back into the fold. I want to thank President Tinubu for the friendship that we share. I've known President Tinubu for many years. He's been like an elder brother to me. And he's been a source of inspiration. Even when times were hard and I was in opposition, he never broke his friendship with me. And so on this occasion, I want to thank him and also dedicate this conferment of chieftaincy to him. And so let me thank everybody. Like I said, time is fast spent. I want to thank you for the honor done me. It shows the love that I enjoy here in Nigeria. Because today is a Monday for all of you to leave whatever you're doing. And I know some of you are very busy people with big businesses, for you to have left your Monday and come and join us here in Ile-Ife to honor me at this conferment. I say, may God bless you richly and prosper you even more than he has done before. So thank you very much.
Now, over here, Ghana for no, and that Igbo man or Ghana had an account to copy SAM pound Emanenko. And a copa say, his excellency Yaya Dimo, as a copy of Nigeria, the honor, Yakobo and Henry as any title get one. Now, my father, and yet a ho, and if I went to a big room, and your honor will free, and your honor what here. Now, Obi Maimu, yet if you come on Henry dear, say, a moon to the moon, say, like, say, how, dear, how, and do come in as your money is as Abe classy. Now, we, any semua, Omoga Chira Bahama.
Hey. Hey, Ghana, Charlie. Anyway, congratulations to President Mahama. You've been honored with a chieftaincy title in Nigeria. So I don't know what the title is. I don't know if it is Ezendiegbo Ghana or Ezendiegbo Nigeria, or what is the title. So mo Ghana for some sisiano ye na ye kuntokwa say ma obi ndi ma foreigner ndi hin wo ye man mo no o man Penyah akodi hin obi man mo. Ye said e bie kwan obi abetumi abedi hin wo Ghana anu say e bie kwan na to ono because uni ho kwan say obe stop you obi say man bedi hin wo Ghana anu say. Congratulations to our new Ezendiegbo Nigeria of Ghana president. Congratulations, your But do you know why we are not winning this? More Ghana for no more Kahubi. More counting I ain't winning Santa Kwawe because now be a kitan agenda different. And I any pack a crown so I cut same way. Mobile 2 video now. Instead of say mobile like na more share, na more supporting, na more money. And I'm jay jumane good nipa ye do 10 cry. Yeah, ye can't. So I do ye can't want so ye do 10. Until man penny be there at your voice, on your voice. And congratulations, why? So I'm going to need Fulani for until me pamacho Fulani for mama me chieftaincy title why me pamacho no mama chieftaincy title why nan to kwane there we have a long way to go. Hey, Ezendiegbo Nigeria
Igwe Ghana for Igwe Wendobi Igwe Wenzolo John Mahama Igwe Iwenzobi Igwe Iwenzobu John Mahama Ebusuya for Ghana for mo president no mo president John Mahama ene wako Nigeria Nigeria for amano chief and this ano president John Mahama aside so president of Ghana no osaye Igwe Iwenzobu Igwe Bwenzaba ewo Nigeria maimu na me Ghana boy am wo hedi ene menim sa video wey bebe na bo fu ba se me declaration me sremo Ghana fo mo na mkoto ma ba na mo yi mu mampani bebe edru no se mampani a ono Ghana mampani etimi afri Ghana ye ka se nkofo yi chese omo ba ye maimu a chese nkrata bia chese anyankofo a ye ne omo wonti no ma afanefo omo ba no mo ba ye maimu na se mampani in the midst of when na no what me akotra wa akoje Igwe Bwenzobu Igwe Ezonzobu dia ebusafo me Ghana boy oye Ghana ni atiem yie me do Ghana be fie na ekọ se John Mahama be free power me kanu kra kire mo se me mba ye John Mahama atamfo me mba ye nipa ye be ka kire me se dia me ye no mi mom na me ye nipa boni ni mo na mo koto mo aba mo ntinem 2028 ye be hia me da mo ase Igwe Wenzobu Igwe Wenzaba
Mudi
mundi mo eya hoho bi enedi yanso wo mani me say Ghana is in the hands of the devil. This I want to question say na Ghana ni die onti Nigeria ho Ghana no wote eye den na wotimi akodi hine wo Nigeria wo bisa mo sa question no enti abawa adwini enti anka bibi nkyerɛ wo sɛ da bi yeman na ahohuo bi na edi yenso wo mani mu ana mudi mu eye ahohuo bi na edi yenso wo mani me say Ghana is in the hands of the devil. Ghana is in the hands of the devil. And the Washington say, or person would jai Ghana boho, Emma Ghana bosse kusia, ne se nye Ghana no. Ghana sa se no any a tumi a woman ned dine. Ena brebia no mu pushing krofuko bi ba mo be kasa ma Ghana fo ye ni ba ya ho so ho. Ne say Ghana on ada Ghana ebe free ebe fra boho se kusia no me kan bieu. Ghana will be the worst country ever existed on the surface of this earth. Yet the Omemua, yam president, a Nigeria for him. Hey! When you would enter Messia him for I mistaken. When you would enter Messia him for I mistaken. Because I am for no man won kwan ena obroni di ni democracy eba ye ena ye na him for no eja won tumi ekuta won nyina gu fom won dibre kese ekuta won anim onyum okuta won mo ja gu fom ena wo de hye akwasi broni nsam se won fa ntwitwi fom ena akwasi broni so giye ena wono so di twitwi fom wo be dan democracy di hye Ghana man nsam ena yesi afre bibi constitution. And the constitution they say, "Wobia ya be wonu o man Ghana mu bia no ye Ghana ni." What did ya be catch on? Obia ya be wonu o man Ghana mu bia o Ghana ni. Enti se Nigeria ni to kwan ba Ghana. Na wo ba be wo ne ma. Na se ne ma be wo na so mo be tena o man Ghana mu be te kasa no. Wo ye Ghana ni. Wo hwɛ mu John Mahama na sifo firi Nigeria. Na anya me won say, aya Islamic agenda kesiye. Me na me catch it. John Mahama being a Christian, I mean, John Mahama is not a Christian by heart. No. What John Mahama saw it from afar, said that Ghana is not going to allow Muslims to be a president on them. Ghana is not going to allow any Muslim to be a president on them. Because a rare Ghanaian can never be a Muslim. A rare Ghanaian can never be a Muslim. And a rare Ghana, Ube Ghana niya, waye Muslim one. Waye Muslim a sankrofon, utie wamokasana, a ye different from outsiders na yababu wamu Ghana she your friends say. Wamu shekes ni wamu malam seno. Wamu gunzongo preach hit, editre jongo youth no, wamu nye Nigeria fool. Me can say way. I think say 2017, 2018 muho. Me can say way on social media say. Obiti say peace dawa media. Wo free Nigeria. Wo nye Ghana ni. Peace dawa media say wo free Ghana. Those youth no. Wo mabeye shake no. Wo mu preach hit edit youth no. Wo mu nyanya Ghana fool. They are all from Nigeria. Some of them are from Niger. Some of them are from Nigeria. Some of them are from your friends say. Mali ni nasefo. Ena wama betina Ghana asase so wama be wo nti na no na me busa sa question we me busa fulani fo question we say womo no prese ye mo womo se ye nye womo citizen womo Ghana no womo asase we. Say ya dia se Ghana asase no da so hye na hemfo ne nsa. Ghana membo no da so hye na hemfo ne nsa. Woni hwan na wo be kwa akotena santimem. Na ya be wo asantimem na wo ye Nigeria ni na se once ya wo ma santimem de me ya santini nti be kwa akodi asantifo akunya ana wo be onye hwan na wo be kwa akotena your friend say gamanche mamu na ye be kwa akwo ho na wo be ka say once aya wo me ho ne dia me ye dani nti me kwa kodi gafo akunwa there be anya possible gafo akunwa no ye wo mu ya de hye won sa wo ba santememu sa oko any tribal land bia wo Ghana bia no ye wo leader wo di tribe nanim as a chief or a king enti sanka ye da so kuta sama mo wo ya ka ye benya Nigeria ni abaye ye so president e wo Ghana ni bisa ho ki ye benya Nigeria ni amana ba abaye ye so president wo Ghana on say John Mahama ade bibia dia me hu so ye Nigeria ni we say no mu nyina na ye part of Fulani for na agenda no. One say Abra John Mahama benya akunya no so tenaye no. And na Fulani for na about to say they are going to show Ghanaians say womo ye your friends say old Fulani so womo ye today Fulani because John Mahama ba omo na ase e be catch omo so omo nto oba ne mane no omo betena akunya no so a obemu omo register omo as Ghanaians wo manim. Enti John Mahama ba ya one year sadia no one more kwan no and na womo threaten Ghana for say womo nye the olden Fulani womo ye today's Fulani. Yes, because who John Mahama wo you omunuya ya no nyina na efura kontom ne abetena Ghana and na gradually period so na wabenya position wo manim wo benya position wo manim a financial ya citizens a on person dey be citizens there and ye be so dey afido so. Me say democracy is a poisonous to we Ghanaians. Democracy is a poisonous to Ghanaians. Democracy is poisonous to the whole of Africa.
First of all, somewhere last week, Mahama went to Abuja to attend this ECOWAS meeting where he was presented as the sole candidate from ECOWAS to become the EU chairman or whatever. Well, after that, Mahama has other agendas on his mind. Pres Mahama, honored with most prestigious Yoruba title by Nigeria, Oni of Ife. Yes. President John Mahama has been conferred with the title of the source. A title means a president who reorganizes the global space for humanity. And it was given to him by the Oni of Ife. Now let me state this emphatically clear. Mahama went there not as a representation of Ghana. He went there as a representation of himself. He didn't went there as His Excellency. He went there as Mahama. So any title you give to him is for himself and his family. It's not for we Ghanaians. He be himself will go there, go take that title. So probably he's representing himself and his Gonja people. He's not representing the whole Ghana. So that title you gave to him is for himself. It is conferred on him. He did not go. The people of Ghana not send him to go and take any kingship title in Nigeria. Nobody sent him. He went there himself. So know the difference. Secondly, he did not go there and say he is this or that. He did not go there and say he want to build a kingdom, bringing the people of Gonja together in one place. No, it be your own people will call him and give him the title. You understand? So there's difference. So if you guys decided to tolerate Mahama as that as chief what in Nigeria, that's a problem. But as for we will not tolerate any Igbo or anything in Ghana here. You understand? It is your own people that confer that title on him. But in Ghana here, if it's one person that say he wants to be this and become that, we will not accept. So he went there as president. He went there as Mahama. He didn't go there as President Mahama. Ghana did not send him. He went there himself. Know the difference. So Mahama being a king or a chief in Nigeria does not mean Nigeria to come here and be fooling. You get me? My next video about this Nigeria that was waving saying he get a passport. Okujato, you wait for us. Well, during he accepting the kingship, this is what is told the government of Nigeria. Build bridges with Sahel. Don't ostracize. Yes, even at that, he's even preaching peace. Build bridges with Sahel. Don't ostracize. But sadly, this Nigerian government, they really know the here. So,
comment section. I Penyah Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!